Next is to work on the coding. So we're going to go over to the event graph at the top here. And then off of the red, we're going to want to get our character, aka Archer. And this is going to be the blueprint class. Plug the wildcard into the green, which is pawn owner. Now we're going to get a couple variables. We're going to get velocity and then get actor rotation. And then in the grid, you got to right click and type in calc direction because it won't pop up off of anything else. Plug in velocity into velocity, rotation into rotation. Now off calc direction, we're going to set the direction. So the calculated direction is then going to be set to the movement that we put in the blend space. All right. And now we're going to get vector length squared, and we're going to take this and we're going to set the speed. Plug this in, and now you are good to go. You have your animation blueprint coding done.